In front of me is Redmi Note 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access additional settings. Now scroll down again and select one-handed mode. After that, click on this switcher next to one-handed mode if it's not already on. Then follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of the navigation panel. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you want to go back, swipe up or click on this area. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same, now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!